The Honor Win series is Honor's new performance-focused flagship lineup, officially launching in China on December 26, 2025. This series is designed for power users and gamers, offering extreme performance, long battery life, and advanced cooling. We will explore the top features of the Honor Win series in this video. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Now the lineup includes two models, the Honor Win and the Honor Win RT. The standard Honor Win is the more premium option, while the Win RT offers slightly scaled down features but keeps the same performance first approach. The Honor Win is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, currently the most powerful Android chipset. It achieves an Antutu score of around 4.4 million and comes with up to 16 GB of RAM plus 16 GB of virtual RAM support. Storage is UFS 4.1, ensuring fast performance, while the Win RT also uses a flagship class Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 series processor. Now both phones feature a 6.83-inch flat OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and an unusually high refresh rate of up to 185 Hz. The flat display, slim bezels, and metal frame are designed with gaming and control in mind. Color options include black, white, and blue, with a horizontal camera layout and visible Win branding. To maintain performance, the Honor Win series reportedly includes an active cooling fan, allowing sustained high performance during long gaming sessions without thermal throttling. Now battery life is a major highlight. Both models packs a massive 10,000 mAh cell. They support 100 watts wired fast charging, while the standard Honor Win also includes 80 watts wireless charging, which is not available on the Win RT. Now in terms of cameras, the Honor Win features a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor and a telephoto lens, while the Win RT uses a dual camera system. Camera performance is secondary to power and endurance in this series. Now these are the top features of the Honor Win series. We do not know the complete features yet because the devices are yet to be officially revealed, but once I get more details about the Honor Win series, I'll definitely share with you guys. As I mentioned earlier, both devices would launch on the 26th of December in China, and maybe later we get to know the official global launch date. Anyway, these are the top features of the Honor Win series. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.